Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Martin CA. In my previous video I showed us how to stake and unstake your white cash tokens, but in this video I'm going to show us a proof on how to withdraw your gold token. You swap it to BUSD and withdraw to your Binance straight away. So it's pretty easy. So but for you to get started, you need to have gotten a minimum of 800,000 of this token before you can swap. So once you log in, this is how it's going to look like. The interface is going to look like. So you go straight to wallet. Now before I proceed, for those that have not signed up, I have a link to sign up at the description of this video. Ensure to click on it to get started and start mining. I started this about 3 to 4 weeks ago, and I've earned over 1.1 million of this token. So guys, without any further ado, let's go straight. Click on wallet. You see you unlocked hooked gold token. You can swap to Binance USD. So click on swap and transfer. You can see the option for me to swap and transfer. You can see I can withdraw my Binance. I can withdraw my BUSD straight to my Binance. You can see network, Binance chain. You just copy your Binance BUSD wallet, paste it here. As you paste it here, just click on paste. The paste, please make sure the withdrawal address. Now you come here, email. Okay, verification code will be sent to this email I use in setting up this account. So once I paste the verification code, you see it's telling me minimum withdrawal is 1.1 BUSD. I say insufficient amount. So because I don't have any BUSD right now, so let's go back. It's in gold token right now. So but what is obtainable or what is transferable or exchangeable is unlock hooked gold token, uHGT. So what you first of all do, you exchange your gold that you have mined to what? To uHGT. Then after you exchange to uHGT, you can now swap to BUSD. So that's the process. We come to home, or you come from home and go to wallet. Or wallet, you just click up exchange. Now, how many of this gold token you want to exchange? Okay, the beauty of it is that it's a ratio of 1:1. 1 gold is equal to 1 uHGT. Minimum amount is 800,000 required for uHGT exchange. Are you saying it? So for you to be able to exchange your gold token to uHGT, you must have a minimum of 800,000 of this token. So but you can see from here I have 1,147,000. So what I'm going to do for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to withdraw all. I want to exchange all to uHGT token. You can see I just click on submit for review. So it has been submitted for review. After a while, they will now release it and convert it to uHGT token. So guys, we are back after some few minutes. The video, I paused this video for us to wait for the approval, and from the look of things, our uHGT token has been converted from the gold token to uHGT token. So guys, you can see our gold token is 0 after the exchange. and the token uHGT token is 1.1 million and some fractions. So now this is the process. You just click on swap. You can see it has populated. If I click on max, you see the value of uHGT token. Let me see the value of 800 of this token. 800,000. It's about $1.6. So guys, it doesn't worth it. So I'm not going to withdraw this token, or I'm not going to swap this token. But I've showed you, you see it's in BUSD. Once I click on swap, it will be swapped. You see, it's a minimum amount to swap is 100,000 required for uGH swap. So the minimum you can swap is 100,000, which is equivalent to 20 cents. So if you are swapping 1 million, that is $2, and the total I have here is a 1,147,000 plus, which is about 2.29 at the time of recording this video. So guys, to me, it's not worth swapping for now. Let me still leave it, since I've already converted it to uGH token. So let's be there for now. So that is it. So if you finish swapping and you want to withdraw, is just click on withdraw. Your BUSD value, this value of 2 point will appear here at the top here. Here that is showing 0 BUSD. Then you just go to your Binance and copy your Binance BUSD wallet address and paste here. And it's a notification. So please enter a notification. So a notification will be sent to the email you're using opening this your white cash. And once the notification gets in, you just copy and paste there. Click on this place that is showing insufficient amount will show withdraw. So guys, that is it. So for those that don't have Binance account, I'm going to also drop the link to the Binance app so that you can get registered and start earning. So guys, that is a simple and easiest way. So for those that are thinking, oh, this is a scam, or this project is like every other mining project that you can't withdraw your money, is a lie. You can see I've tested it and it's worked. You can see I've showed you everything, just that I don't want to withdraw now. That is why I'm not making this withdrawal right now. So I'm going to still leave it, and so that I will keep mining till when I'm ready to, swap it and send it to BUSD. So guys, that is it. You see, buy hooked with Binance. Hook token is also the mother of this token. Hook token was launched December 1st, and it did over 3,000x. So this coin has potential as well if they're gonna list it on Binance anytime soon. So guys, keep accumulating, keep referring, keep playing all the tax on this platform so that you keep earning more of this token. So that is it for this video. For those that are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, click the bell notification so that you get notified each time I upload fresh content. And also comment, share this video with your friends and your loved ones so that they will also benefit, and also share your referral link to your friends so that they will also sign up and earn. You can see, click on referrals, click on grow my team, and you copy your code. This is my own code, so your code will show you a copy, or you send to WhatsApp direct or Facebook or your contacts. That's all, share to them and they will sign up as well, and they start earning, you also will start earning. And you also get rebate of 8% commission from their daily earnings. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. Bye for now.